In this episode, we'll be looking at how to create a working template. And the truth there is this: the quality of your template determines the kind of surveys you get. The quality of your template will tell if you're going to enjoy the best survey experience or not. If you don't have a reasonable template, I can bet you that you will suffer while taking surveys. So, doing template, you should put your attention to it. Don't just copy and paste. Okay, a lot of people just come online and they look at people's templates on the Telegram group. They just copy Mr. A's template and then they go and start using it. They only change the address and all that. Every other thing they will use it. Please don't do that. Don't duplicate templates. Create your own template. When you are creating your own template, create your template with a reason. Or let's say when you create your template with the mindset of what you are looking at achieving. Okay, very good. Now, having said that, I'll be going ahead to create a template right now, and you'll be seeing how we're doing it. So you will need to pay maximum attention and follow through. And you may need to at one point or the other have your pen and paper, so you pen and notebook, so you could be jotting down hit points I'll be giving. Okay. So when you're creating your own template, you won't face similar or you won't face issues doing that to yourself. Okay. Good. Okay. So very good. Now, I'm going to edit this, I'm going to long press on this, and I'm going to edit. Very good. Now, so I'll be editing this thing one after the other, or better still, I'm going to copy this and put it in my notepad. Then, when I'm done editing it, I'll come and paste it here in WhatsApp. I think that would be the best thing to do. That would be the very best thing to do. So, we don't need to, because editing on WhatsApp may not be easy. So, I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to head over to my notes, N, notepad, letter N. Okay, look at it, notepad. Okay, just a minute. Yes, let me add a notepad. Now I'm going to paste this here. Very good. Now you can see how it's looking like, right? Very good. Now when I'm done editing it, I would advise you to edit it on your notepad so you can see every information completely. Once you're done editing on your notepad, you can then copy it and paste it in your WhatsApp so you can always remember. You can also save it on your notepad, but I always like you to save it on WhatsApp because it is easy for you to recall. Okay, it is easy for you to recall. You can just quickly go through it, check the chat, and all that. You understand? So that is it. Now, so first of all, first things first, we are going to put a name. Now, when you're going to save put a name, you're advised to put a name that matches the region. Okay, something that looks native. Okay, if you are selecting a name, for instance, don't use your Nigerian name. Of course, you should not. You are representing the UK. If you are coming or speaking or standing on behalf of the US or standing as a US citizen, use names that are sounding US in nature. Not like the name is going to really affect anything, but all these things join to give level of credibility. Okay, very good. Now, first things first, name. You are going to put something like let me use Edwards. Edward is a popular British name, so I'm going to put Edward. Edward. Edward Philip. These are popular British name. Phillips. Edward Phillips. Now, UK number. When you buy your UK number, you're going to put it here. Now, zip code. This zip code is basically for those that um, are in the US rather. If you are in the UK, you don't need zip code. Zip code is usually for those in US. So you can put in your postal code. Okay, for the UK, put in your postal code. For the US, put in your zip code. Now, for us to generate a postal code is not a difficult thing. Now, all we just need to do is for us to come over to our browser. Let me just take a random browser here. Let me show you something. Okay, let me open my Firefox browser. Okay, let me just show you something now. Now, when you want to get your postal code, it's very simple. Head over to this place. You also see other videos on how to create postal code still in the course. Okay, yes, but this is just to make it easy for you to understand. You're also going to watch that one, you're going to watch this one as well. By the time you watch both, it will be easy for you to create a postal code. So to create a postal code is very simple. All you just need to do is head over to your browser, go to your search bar and search for Dogal, Doogal, dogal.co.uk. Now, when you search for it, say, try again. What is happening? Dogal. Let me search. Let me see Dogal postcodes generator. Dogal.co.uk. So why was it telling me? Why was it telling me dogal.co.uk? Okay, very good. Slash postcode generator. Dogal.co.uk slash postcode generator. That was what I didn't. That's what I didn't go through. So you type dogal dogal.co.uk slash postcode generator. Once you search that, this interface will come up. Okay, once this interface comes up, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to head over to this place here. What is happening, for Christ's sake? Okay, agree. Okay, so we've gotten that dogal.co.uk slash postcode generator. If you search for it, it doesn't come up. Just search Dogal postcode generator on Google. When it comes up, the first thing that comes up, select it. Okay, just like I did, the first thing that comes up, select it, and it bring you to this place. So having said that, now the next thing you want to do is you come over to this place here, this this box here. Okay, now we're going to select this drop down box. You can see various city codes you can pick from. You can pick any one. Okay, yes, so basically any city under the UK you pick goes well. So I don't want to stereotype you to any particular city, just pick. Okay, now so let me just start with this PO, for instance. Now when I select this PO, I come down here that says generate random postcode. Generate random, and mind you, these are not fake addresses. So these are real address. There's not like fake address here. These are real addresses. Okay, just they are called random because you have no one in mind. You just came and they will select anyone for you. Okay, good. So these are real postcode, or these are real addresses. So you say create a random postcode. Now this is a postcode you've created. Okay, now you're going to come down here and select what to call create a matching address. This thing down here, select create a matching address. Now it's going to give you a matching address. Okay, but I don't think I like this postcode. Let me select something I'm more familiar with. So let me pick something else. Let me pick SA should be Swansea, I believe. So let me select something Swansea. Okay, very good. This is something I'm familiar with. Okay, very good. So also another thing is this: if you're also selecting, I also advise you to select something that sounds familiar to you. Okay, if you know places in the UK like London, like England, Swansea, Bristol, Bournemouth, Bolton, popular areas in the UK, it's advisable you pick areas that sounds familiar to you. Okay, very well. But that does not mean you should go and I don't want to say pick any particular. That's why I don't want to call any particular place. Just pick where sounds familiar to you. I know most people sound England, London sound familiar to you. Fine, but why I would not want you to just select only. I just come and pick England. Why I would not always advise come and pick England, because most people will be picking England and all that. London is very wide. Okay, not like if you pick London, you have issues. No, London is very wide, but have the liberty to select wherever that resonates with you. Okay. Having said that, I will move on to, you can see that okay, we've selected this. Now, so look at our postcode here. This one here, this SA1 6JW is our postcode. So we're going to type it out, SA1 6JW as our postcode. We're going to go to our notepad. We're going to type it here, SA1 SA1 6JW. This is our postcode. And please don't go and copy what I did and what is this? Don't go and copy what I did and put in your call, because I'm pretty sure that some other persons that are watching this will likely copy it and put it. By the time you're copying and you're putting it in your own calls, you are looking for your own template. You are just doing what somebody else has done. And when you duplicate information like this, you will most likely find out that it seems that you're not being accepted for surveys, because a lot of people seem to be using one particular thing and it's going to cause issues. So please let your template be unique. Okay, good. Now, having said that, this address here, we're going to copy down this address, 34 Montpellier Terrace, Swansea.